video in a while, but here is my new speaker setup. Yeah, massive box, 12-inch subwoofer, and then full range, and then a tweeter. Yeah, I mean, the thing's pretty darn nice. I can't play with that song because I might get copyrighted. But this thing does move. It does have a port, but I blocked it off because this box is better not ported in a room with, yeah. But if you were to put this box in like a car, you would have to have it ported. It would be better. And, yeah. I don't know what yeah about. I made this sucker. Built-in subwoofer in it. 2 speakers. They're like 2-inch speakers. They're loud. There's the port. You can see the driver back there. Yeah. Then this on-off switch for this main power unit. That one has its own on and off switch. Then the TV can control the volume too, as well as my phone. So it's pretty cool. So I had this in the van the other day. It shook the windows and the mirrors. Surprising what this box can do for a subwoofer. The subwoofer was in my repairs. This is the one I repaired with rubber bands. So it looks like it's weak when you press on it because you can press on it with ease, but man, this thing acts like nothing else. This thing's awesome. I'm gonna find a video to play and then I'll play it. And I'm gonna turn on. You know what? I'll just leave the bass on and stuff. Alright, I'm gonna be playing some 23 Hertz. And I'm gonna open up a thing. And just stuff some toilet paper in there. It blocks out pretty darn well. So I keep on shutting off my camera. So let's play this. Alright, that's all I can do because this thing is really loud. I only went up to 5 bars on the TV. And then it got extremely loud. And obviously that is not as much as it can move. This thing moves. Like, moves when it gets going. See how much excursion that thing has, bro. Man. Yes, this is an old Pioneer 800. It was given to me by a friend, and this is all my repairs videos. So yeah, that's just a review of my system in my room. Man, I tell you what, it rocks, but this thing is huge. I don't have a tape measure in here at the moment, but there's a coffee table. The thing's longer than that. Yeah. That's the song I was playing. This was down to this is a 23 hertz song. I'm actually planning on upgrading the subwoofer in time because subwoofers I want are $300 each. Kind of expensive for me. So it'll be a while. But when I have these new subwoofers in, oh, they're gonna ruin everything in this room. They'll probably knock down the TV. Probably not a smart idea to leave a TV on top of the box that shakes. You know? Alright. This will be it of this video. This is just an update of what's going on. See you next time.